about which command. So which is a command which you rarely heard as a beginner. The time when the people start working their career in the Linux, they used to have, they generally use this which command. Generally, the software developer which who installs some software. Let's say today I have my Linux machine, right? In the Linux machine, what I can do, I can install Java tomorrow, right? In order to start working, okay, I can install some other software. Let's say I install Java, and let's say I install other software which is totally dependent on the Java. So in that moment of time, what I need that Java is correctly installed or not, right? Because that Java executable file will help me to execute my other files. So what this which command will do, let's say there are multiple executable commands, right? Like ls is a command which is helping you to find list of all the things, like list of the directory and folders, whatever it is, right? There are few other command as well. Let's say grep is a command, right? So grep command will do what? Grep command will help you to grab all the strings which you want to grab, right? Let's say cpp command, okay, it's for c++ people, okay. So like these all are executable command, and these commands are used in front of some other files. Let's say ls, okay, and let's say I want to list all the files in a particular directory, okay. If I want to grab something, okay, let's say I can want to, you can use ls command like ls, let's say slash, let's say home and Sanjit, right? Sanjit slash desktop. After ls command you can type this. So what it will do, either you can go to this location and type this, and from the far itself you can type this, okay. So whatever place you are, it will direct, just type the command from there. Let's say you are in etc folder, but you type that from there itself. So what it will instructing, go to the home Sanjit and desktop and list out all the things. So generally what my point is, these commands are used in front of some other things, right? But my question is, from where these commands are coming? Means this ls is running, right? But this ls have some, ls is an executable file. So where, which place, which this ls is coming from? grep is an executable file which is executing, which is nothing but it helping to execute some things, right? From where this grep came from, in which part of the computer they are stored? cpp, which part of the computer they are stored, right? So by default, generally these people, per my experience, I found they found in the root bin, like this kind of usr bin, like this, okay. These people found in the this particular location, okay. So these people usr are coming from this location. Inside the root there is a usr folder. In the bin, this executable file lives there, okay. So this is the way. So this which command will tell you your executable file belong to which place. So let's have a hands on and let's look into that. So I am here itself, I am in the desktop, whatever place is not important. So I'm going to run which command and I will hit lsc. Is telling which command is this executable command belongs to this location, okay. So and if there should be this location, you can change this location also. If I will explain you here, you can see. So which command is a linux command which is used by or used to locate the executable file associate with the given command, okay, by searching at the path of the environment variable. Means wherever the environment variable is defined, like in the window we have environment variable, right, where you go and define your, let's say you are installing java, you go and define java home, right, in your environment variable, okay. So in the same way here, the command which you are running, let's say ls, what it will do, it will go to your environment variable and try to find its location, okay. So whatever the location you are able to see, this location is coming because this location is mentioned in the environment variable, okay. So that's the thing. But the major thing which you have to understand, this will tell you, let's say, let me hit grep. See, grep is coming from bin underscore bin folder, right? Like, let me hit use which cpp, c plus plus. See, it's coming from user bin cpp. Whether this ls is coming from only bin ls, like, so this way you can run this which command. This command is extra mainly used when you install something. Let's say most of the time which I used is I install java externally in my system, in my linux system. And after that, what I do, right now I don't have java, so it will not work. Right now I don't have java, so if I type which java, it will not point me, right? So when you install java, then it will show you like usr bin java is there, okay. So in that moment of time, you, because your environment variable is pointing to that location for java, You can, if you want, as per the requirement of business, you can change your Java location there. But that's not a discussion of today itself, because we are at the beginning of the course. You should just know there is a command called which, and which will list you all the executable commands location. That's it. So it's all about today's agenda, guys. So let's meet in the next class.